Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best pet products on the market. Today, we have an exciting review of what we like to call the best cat pumpkin brush, the Awpland self-cleaning dog and cat slicker brush. If you're a pet parent looking for an effective grooming tool for your furry friends, this brush might just be what you need. This innovative brush is designed with both cats and dogs in mind, and its unique pumpkin shape makes grooming fun and easy. The pumpkin design not only looks cute but also provides a soothing experience for your pet during grooming. It's a real treat for both you and your pet. The design is carefully crafted, making it an ideal tool for brushing long or short-haired pets, as well as rabbits. One of the standout features of this brush is its self-cleaning mechanism. Gone are the days of struggling to remove hair from the brush. With just a press of a button, the bristles retract, making hair removal a breeze. This makes cleaning up after grooming a much simpler task, saving you time and hassle. But what truly sets the Awpland pumpkin brush apart is its skin-friendly design. The brush features 232 pins with rubber tips that gently penetrate deep into your pet's coat without scratching their skin. The bristles are curved at a 140-degree angle, ensuring a comfortable and thorough grooming session. It's great for reducing tangles, knots, and shedding while also promoting healthy skin by increasing blood circulation. Whether you have a dog or a cat, this brush works wonders in removing loose hair, eliminating dander, and even trapping dirt. The gentle massage it provides helps keep your pet's coat silky and smooth, making it perfect for those who want to keep their pets looking their best without causing any discomfort. In addition to its effectiveness, the Awpland Slicker brush is also highly versatile. It's recommended by professionals for use on all kinds of pets, from short-haired dogs to long-haired cats, and everything in between. Plus, it's an ideal choice for pet owners, veterinarians, and groomers alike. So, if you're looking for a top-notch grooming brush for your pet, the Awpland self-cleaning dog and cat slicker brush is definitely worth considering. It combines fun, comfort, and practicality in one amazing product. Give your pet the grooming experience they deserve with this fantastic pumpkin brush. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques. We'll see you next time with more honest reviews of the best products out there.